we're gonna see what's new today at Burlington. Wow. We're gonna check out some sneakers. Check this out, they got some Nike Force. They look pretty cool, 50 bucks. Not bad. In white, black and white gray. Cool. Check this out, I found some Nike Zooms. Size 7 for my son. Pretty nice actually. I think this might be what I'm looking for. Check out these Converse with a star and then the strap in the back. $39, look at that, with the green. I got this Adidas hat, looks like it was on the floor. But it looks pretty cool. $9. Nice. Go check out the logos inside. Check out what I found. These are Air Jordans. Nike Air. That's pretty cool. Let's see how much they are. Where's that price tag? Size 11, no price tag. Oh, disappointed. They look pretty cool though. I might try them on. Check this out, old school Jordans. These actually look pretty cool. $79. Size 13 to 14. These are huge. I kind of don't like this style. Found some Nike Air Maxes for $54. It's not a bad price. Check these out. I'm not sure if these are for soccer or football. They're Adi Zero. They look pretty cool. $24. Wow. That's not a bad price. Check this out. I found these Nikes as well. I forgot what these were called, but they're all these Nikes are so like narrow. If he doesn't even go in these, or any of my kids or anything. I remember these selling for like $170 before. But you know, they're what is it, $54.99 in Burlington Coat Factory. Get these out. These are Nike Training, Nike Free. These things look cool. $44. Damn. Not a bad price. What size is this? Size 10. Nice. Check these out, guys. Buffalo Bills. Nike Air Zoom. What size are these? And how much? Size 10. $59. Not a bad find. Check these out. I think these are basketball shoes. They look pretty cool. Let's see how much they are. $39. Not bad. Oh, I like this. This is like embroidered. Very cool. I like the backwards logo too. Check out these Puma soft rides. They got like air on the bottom. Seems like they do, like right there. They're cushy. They're very, very light. $39 for these. Pretty good price. These out. Bus mitts. These are nice leather, suede. Got the gold logo. $44 for these. Nice and soft on the bottom. Pretty good find. Check out these big foamies. Nike Journey. I think these are just walking shoes. Got this big cushy thing up here. How much are these? $79. Are these worth it? Let me know. These are size, let's see, size 11. What is this? Nike Lunar, $59, size 11. They look a little weird. Get this, it's very light though. And check out these Air Maxes, $80, $79. This is like grippy up here, and then they got the air back there. Nike Air Max. They're kind of heavy though. Got these Stefan Janowski shoes. You got cork in the back. That is weird. I've never seen cork shoes. $34. They seem like they're leather. I don't know. Maybe a little fake leather. Kind of weird. You know down below what you think about the cork. And if you see any shoes over here that I missed, let me know. All right, check this out. LBJ Witness shoes. These are Air. Very colorful. I don't think that's my taste though. These Nikes look pretty soft and very foamy, $54. These are men's shoes, size 11. Xfinity Run 2 or 4. 10 and a half. Do you think these are worth it? They look comfortable. And they're wide. They're kind of like super wide in the front.